Peace will come and reach the dawn when pride evaporates. All the folks with deadly strokes should lose their little state. Why not find a way for peace and stop those killings and fights? Leave behind that war disease for the sake of human life. Peace will come and reach the dawn when courage evaporates. The plague of power corrupts the flower and turns love into hate. Why not find a way for peace and stop those killings and fights? Leave behind that war disease for the sake of human life. All we need's respect and love, no bombs, bullets or knives. Acceptation, hands in glove for the sake of human life. Peace will come and reach the dawn when envy evaporates. A whole new mission, a new decision for peace in a global state. Why not find a way for peace and stop those killings and fights? Leave behind that war disease for the sake of you.